Alrighty, this is my next project vehicle. This is a 2011 Dodge Caravan, or I should say Dodge Grand Caravan. Very nice looking van. Body's very clean, with a few minor scratches that could be buffed out. It runs real nice. Transmission is bad, so I'm going to have a new transmission put in. It needs a new windshield as well, because this windshield is cracked. And it has a little bit of damage right here. I could buff that out though.
I think it's to be cool. I think it's a nice change up with how things have been going. I think change is good, not necessarily.
It's got a check engine light.
Rules get the defense and trying to keep certain safety things going. But I think this is a nice little change up where it's going to allow a team,
It's actually in park. For some reason it's reading it's in reverse, so I'll have to get that looked at. It has 147,000 miles.
Something that they're trying. I think it's better than the doggone replay rule, so I like it already.
Who's the best safety in the NFL, Bernard?
Needs a good cleaning on the interior.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's got power everything.
That's all. Because a lot of these guys
the back seats are here. They're folded into the floor. So it does have 2-row seating. This needs to be vacuumed out real bad and cleaned. But the seats, again, are just folded into the floors.
New England, I like him.
Got your climate control for the back.
He's probably the true safety him and Darren kid out of Fort St. in San Diego, but LA. Those guys are
let's put on the hazards real quick.
Very good players.
It's got the LED lights, which look real nice. Top of the van. It's pretty clean. The dash is really dusty.
Skeleton key for a defense.
The dash is really dusty, and it's real dirty in here. I mean, a good interior clean and wipe everything down, get the stains off the seats and the floors. Will make this thing look really nice when it's finished. I found a transmission for this van for 130 bucks, and I'm going to pull it out of the other van it's in and have it put in this one, and then I'm going to have a brand new van. It's cup holders. Got your two 12-volt adapters. Glove box. What's this? Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. It's pretty nifty. Built-in storage. Up here. And I'm assuming this is an automatic trunk door release and automatic side doors. So, that is all for now. Adios. Oh, I'm buying this thing for $2,000. And again, it's a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan of 140,000 miles. 147,000, I should say. Adios.